What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So can you believe that you can transform this photo to become this noir shadow photography? Yes guys, in this video I'd like to share you how to change this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful woman in the middle of a street, and I guess this is in a fair. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed into this noir shadow, as if that she is the mysterious detective. How to create this one? It is very simple, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the nano banana, and if you would like to create this photo transformation into your another favorite AI, don't worry, because you can create it too, and here I will also share you the prompt guys. And after that, here I'm accessing it via Google AI Studio, and after that I will click this try nano banana, and you can start to upload the file or the picture of yours, for example this one. And after that I will put the prompt into this section. Change this attached photo into the black and white portrait with a mysterious person wearing the fedora, smoke curling in the air, and also the harsh side lighting, and also film noir mood and in the high contrast, and also maintain the original face of the person, and also add the mysterious gesture as if that the person is a detective. So you can use this simple prompt, and after that you can continue to click run, and kindly wait for the output down here. Basically, this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation guys. However, you can also still have the possibility to have the different look, and if you would like to try it, so you can click rerun this turn and kindly wait for the another output. And if you like the photo, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.